Hey everyone, welcome to Colourful Indian. Today is the fifth look that I'm doing using the Nomad Cosmetics America's Parks palette. I've been having a lot of fun working with this palette so far, and the challenge was of course to only use this palette without other colors from different brands and palettes. I hope that you like going through this tutorial with me. Before we begin, if you're new here, remember to drop a comment below and to subscribe to my channel for more looks. And if you have been here for some time, thank you so much for taking the time to come and check out another one of my videos. I really appreciate it. So let's get down to the tutorial. So I'm going in first with Blue Ridge Parkway, which is this gorgeous green, and I'm just putting that in the inner crease of my eyes. I'm using a small brush to do this, and I'm taking it towards the end of my eyelid, and I just moved my brush back and forth until I got the desired color payoff that I wanted. I wanted to blend this in with, Everglades, which is that gorgeous green that you can see. I went in with the same brush and just blended that in very gently until I felt that, I'd got enough of this color. And I started moving outwards to make, that winged shape that I like. And then to blend out the colors, I used Old Faithful, which is a gorgeous matte yellow, using a fluffier brush. If you noticed, my brush size increased as I went in for the blending. This is just a new technique that I've picked up by watching other makeup artists, because usually I don't do this. And then I went in with, my P. Louise Acid Rain paint, which is, the standard product I use for cutting my crease. I really love using this product. It dries, and the best way to do this is to actually just see, where the product ends up on your eyelid, because when you do that, if you blink, you won't have excess product going to the top. So yeah, I did use a smaller brush to do this just to cut it out and get that perfect shape. After I cut my crease, I went in with Mammoth Cave, which is this gorgeous gold shimmer. I used a tiny brush because I wanted to make sure that the glitter didn't get onto the top of my eyes, so this was mainly for precision. Using your finger would definitely get a better effect. I then went in with Whole Rainforest, which is the gorgeous green shimmer in the palette, and I really thought that this would complement the gold on my eyes, and I used a fluffier brush to get this because it was near the ends of my eyes. And then just to get that blended, seamless, effect on my eyes, I used Blue Ridge Parkway to connect the entire look. And I used a small brush to do this because I just felt that I needed that precision, especially with getting that point at the end of my eyes. And then again, I went over with Whole Rainforest, just to blend the whole thing out, and once again with Blue Ridge Parkway. Delicate Arch is a gorgeous brown shimmer, very easy to work with as well. And then I went back to Blue Ridge Parkway with the same small brush, and lastly Half Dome, which is the brown, just to give a nice contrast to my eyes and some depth. Right, so, working with the shimmers, the mattes, everything about this palette has been really fun. And if you go onto their website now, you will see that they have released Haunted Europe, which is, perfect for this month, and it's got fascinating shades. So far, I have not been disappointed with Nomad Cosmetics. So if this is the kind of color combination that you like, if you like colors but you also like earthy tones, I would say that the America's Parks palette is something that is worth checking out. It is definitely beautiful in terms of the color tones, and there's a lot of versatility here as well. You can just create a lot of looks with this, without a doubt. So I would say that I have definitely been impressed using this palette. I feel very lucky that I got it as PR, and I'm looking forward to trying more Nomad Cosmetic palettes. Right now I'm waiting for the Black Friday sale. I will post about this on Instagram, so if you're looking, to get in on sales, on Black Friday sales, that's the best time to buy stuff, and I'm really looking forward to that because I'm definitely picking up more Nomad Cosmetics palettes. I will definitely be trying to create more looks once I've gotten all of that, and I've got more unboxings coming your way. There's the Glam Light, there's another indie brand that I picked up the other day, and the shades just look amazing. I've never seen this color in a palette before. The vibrancy, it is just unmatched. So that is something exciting to look forward to. Until then, I hope that you have a great week and that you stay safe, especially during this time. And God bless. I will see you soon. Bye.